Hello students, let us start lecture 2. In lecture 2 I will tell you how can we observe cells in an onion peel. First of all I am going to tell you what is an onion peel. For onion peel I am taking that cut part of an onion. I am removing that edible leaf of onion. In that leaf you can see that side is convex side and that side is concave side. From concave side I am removing a transparent peel. This transparent peel is called onion peel. By staining this onion peel in a laboratory with the help of staining solution and by keeping the unstained onion peel on the glass slide and observing under microscope, after observing under microscope we can observe so many cells in onion peel. But that is activity which we will perform in laboratory. That was only general instruction regarding this activity. Now let us talk about type of organisms on the basis of number of cells. Organisms are of two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are composed of single cell, for example amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas, bacteria, etc. Multicellular organisms are composed of many cells, for example animals and plants. Now come to next topic, that is shape of cells. Some cells does not have fixed shape. For example, amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism composed of single cell, and that cell does not have fixed shape due to the flexibility of that outer covering known as plasma membrane. But some cells have fixed shape. For example, our nerve cell, which is also known as neuron. It has typical shape which I am drawing here. About that cell we will learn in detail in next chapter, tissue, subtopic nervous tissue. Now come to next topic, that is division of labor. Division of labor means काम का बटा होना. If we talk about a single cell, then in a single cell work is divided among all the special components present in fluid content of the cell. Such special components are called cell organelles. It means in case of single cell work is divided among organelles. But if we talk about multicellular organism which are composed of many cells, what happen in such organisms? Cells form tissues. Tissues forms tissues form organs, organ form organ systems. So in case of multicellular organisms, labor means work is divided amongst cells or tissues or organs or organ systems. So this is all about division of labor, means काम का बटा होना. मल्टीसेलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो काम है वो सेल्स, टिश्यूज, ऑर्गन्स और ऑर्गन सिस्टम में डिवाइडेड होता है. मीन्स ईच सेल परफॉर्म अ स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन, ईच टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू परफॉर्म a special function in the same manner organs and organ systems. Let us talk about functional reasons of a cell. Functional reasons of a cell. First functional reason which we will discuss in our next video, that will be plasma membrane and cell wall. Second, that is nucleus. It can be true nucleus or nucleoid. Third, that is cytoplasm. That was basic introduction about cell. In our next video, we will discuss about plasma membrane and cell wall in detail. Thank you.